Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Learn how you can do the model evaluation test of the existing model which you have already created and deployed. So for this you need to go deployment tab. Click on the deployment link. This link will open a dashboard with the 3 tabs. This is your overview of the deployment of the project, which type of services is used for the deployment, name of the project and service. In the implementation, it will show you the implementation of the deployment using in a different languages. So you can copy if you require a code from here according to your requirement. And then this is a test tab using which we are going to test our model. Is it working correctly or not? You have 2 ways to enter the input. The one way is this graphical and another is your JSON. If you have a JSON code, you can just copy and paste it here. Now I will choose this one. So it is also showing you what kind of data you need to enter, like data type. Age should be in an integer type. So we will add now education, masters, default to balance 200, and then housing to loan to contact ABC, and then date to month February, duration 1, campaign 1, days 2, previous 2, and then ABC. So this is you need to enter the values using which you want to evaluate your model. I have entered the values. This is by default for testing only. To show you the result, click on the predict button. Now you can see here it is showing predictions, probability values. So this is a percentage it is showing to of the correct predicted value. This way you can test your model of the project using the IBM Watson Studio. I hope everyone would like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.